My name's CJ Firkins. I work in the door shop in McCall. Just wanted to go over our whiteboards on our door pallets. So what we have here is we just put a simple whiteboard on the back of a door pallet. And so when a new door package comes in, we can actually stack it on here and put a quick description of the job, the customer, and the PO or production order number. So as a good example, right here, it's really helped us receive. It's helped us get organized, keep it clean, and when our drivers have to load up doors, they don't have to come and ask us. It's clearly labeled on each pallet. So our problems before were cardboard. We had mountains of cardboard stood up with permanent Sharpie written on it, and it just was creating a lot of trash. So we've cleaned that up tremendously, and it's definitely helped us get lean.